All right, now we're looking at example 3 of using function formula to find values of functions. Okay, so here we're looking at the function h of x is equal to square root of x minus 2. And I'm trying to find h of 2 and h of 1. The process is going to work exactly the same as in previous examples. All we're going to do is note that these are x values that are being plugged in, and we're going to replace all the x's that we see inside our formula with each of these respective inputs. So h of 2, every place I see an x, I'm going to replace it with a 2. And as always, if I'm doing a substitution, I make sure I put parentheses around things, just so I don't get lost in the shuffle when I go to simplify. Okay? So h of 2 is equal to square root of 2 minus 2, or just the square root of 0. That is defined, by the way. Square root of 0 is 0 because 0 times 0 is 0. Okay? So this is just 0. Now how about h of 1? If I have h of 1, 1 is my input. This is going to be 1 minus 2, or square root of minus 1. Uh-oh. What are we going to do about that? Can't have square roots of negatives. So is this going to produce a real valued output? In this case, the answer is no, because square root of minus 1 is what we would call I, if you remember that back from high school, or maybe college algebra. So since this is equal to I, that's not a real number. We're looking at functions to and from real numbers. So I'd say, therefore, h of 1 is not defined from a technical standpoint. If you want to do operations on complex numbers and have functions to and from complex numbers, be my guest. You can be a complex analyst and be my friend. But otherwise, if you see stuff that's going to have to become imaginary or square roots of negatives, your function is not going to be defined there. So h of 1 is not defined. It was defined at 2, but not at 1. Okay? So with that, we have done what we set out to do, and we are done with this example. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, if you're not watching from ProjectGraderEd.com, please head over there. Links in the description, and I hope to see you there. Thanks.